We are pleased to show you the 2022 Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, dual-pane panoramic power sunroof. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.